We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change and reset your drum on a Brother HL-3070CW. So to change the drum, you're going to open your front hatch. There are color codes on the side to tell you which color is in that slot, so make sure you're changing the color that the printer prompts you to. Pull that out, press this green tab, it'll release your toner, take that out, set it to the side, and then set your old drum to the side so you don't get it mixed up with your new one. Unbox the new one and then stick this toner in there. Alright, once you hear it click, you know it's in place. Then what you'll want to do is take this little green tab and run it across here a couple times, and then make sure you put it back in its locking position. Once you hear it click, you know it's in its locking position. Same thing with the toner. Shut the top, and then what you're going to do is hold the up button and go button at the same time until you see drum, and then you're going to hit OK, and then you're going to select the color that you would like to reset, and then once you select that color, hit OK, and then it should reset the drum. This printer does take a DR210. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.